Like, subscribe, and share.
We are getting our tractor back. Yay! We are getting our tractor back. It has been in the service department at John Deere for a few weeks now. We were having a problem with the hydraulics. Very, very happy to be getting it back. Our driveway needs to be graded. We have areas that need to be plowed. This is our first spring at our new home, so we definitely have got a lot going on, but this is a good thing. Here's Jackson's first tractor ride. He is so excited to get on the tractor.
Like, subscribe, and share.